Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Megan, and today we're going to be doing a holiday glam look using the Jaclyn Hill Vault Palette in Armed and Gorgeous. If you guys want to see how I did my foundation today, make sure to check out my previous video. But today I'm just going to be showing you my eye look. So I'm going to zoom you guys in and we'll get started. Alright you guys, so I'm going to start off doing my normal tape routine. Even though I do have foundation on already, I'm just going to put the tape over it and then touch up the areas that get removed from the tape. Then I'm going to go in using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. I'm going to put that all over the eyes. And for this look, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection, the Armed and Gorgeous palette. So using the shade Agent, I'm going to go in and just fluff this all over the crease into the top. Then using this Morphe M508 brush, it's a little bit tinier. I'm going to use the shade Growl. I'm going to get into the corner of the crease. Because I have such hooded eyes, I'm going to go up a little bit higher. Then using this fluffy brush again, I'm going to use the shade Smooth Criminal. Just kind of blend all that together. Next, I'm going to go in with some concealer and cut crease. I'm going to use all gold glitter today. I'm going to use this random brush from this brush set from Amazon. It's just tight, this small tiny brush here. So to make sure we get really good pigment with the glitter, I'm going to use the Too Faced Glitter Shadow Endurance, the glitter glue. I'm gonna put that all over. Then using another flat brush, just from that brush set from Amazon, I'm going to use the shade Guilt Trip here. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Then just using a fluffy brush and the shade Agent. Blending it all out. Then I wanted to play with these Stila glitter, I don't know what they are. The glitter pieces here. I'm going to put that over top. I just kind of wanted to get a gold base because this wasn't as thick as I was expecting. Just adds a little bit of extra shimmer. I'm gonna let that dry for a second. So not a lot comes out of those little, got that little holiday gift set, so they're tinier because I didn't think I was gonna use a lot. And then not a lot comes out, so I had to keep dipping it in quite a bit. Just gives that glittery glam look to it. Then going back into the shade Prowl and just going over the crease. Then using this tiny brush in the shade Smooth Criminal, I'm just going to do the outer corners here. I'm going to do no liner just because there's so much glitter. Sometimes when there's so much glitter on the eyes, it's hard to get the eyeliner to stick. I'm just going to go in with some big voluptuous lashes. I'm going to do the velour lashes in the Fluff and Wispy. All right, so now that the lashes are on, I'm going to be doing the lower lash line. I'm going to go in with the shade Smooth Criminal with this little pencil brush. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Growl, the outer corner there. After cleaning off that pencil brush, then I'm going to use the shade VIP for the inner corners, for the little final touches, and that's it. All right, so this completes this glam look for the holidays. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button down below, comment what you'd like to see in future videos, and make sure to subscribe. Bye.